Welcome! Ready to discover a tool from Amazon that can help you increase sales and brand loyalty? This video introduces you to virtual bundles for brand owners. Before we start, it is important to remember that this feature is available only to brand owners. You must be a brand owner or internal to the brand and responsible for selling the brand on Amazon. If you do not have access to this feature, you have not been identified as a user who fits this criteria. If you believe you do fit this criteria, please provide that information to Brand Registry support. Let's learn how to create virtual bundles. Some things just go together. Peanut butter and jelly, salt and pepper. They can be sold on their own, or they can be offered as a bundle instead. Customers love bundles because they can buy what they need together and save. And brand owners love bundles because they can help increase sales and brand loyalty. Amazon has developed an amazing tool called Virtual Bundles, which allows brands to create bundles using your Fulfillment by Amazon inventory. You don't have to package your bundle together. Instead, when a customer buys a virtual bundle, Amazon ships them all the items included in the bundle using your existing FBA inventory. It's simple, easy, and there is no additional cost to you. Let's see how you can create a bundle. From your Seller Central homepage, click on Brands and then click on Virtual Bundles. If you are entering this section for the first time, here's what you'll see on your screen. What is a product bundle? How are product bundle quantities determined? Can product bundles be edited? To create a virtual bundle, first decide which products you want to include. You can use a tool like Amazon's Brand Analytics to see what customers already tend to buy together. When you are ready to create your bundle, click on the New Product Bundle tab. You need at least 2 products to create a bundle and can have as many as 5. Click on the left side Add Products button and begin. You'll be able to add products to create a bundle by typing the ASIN or scroll down to find the ASINs. You'll be able to see stock levels at this time. Check availability and price and then click Add to Bundle. After you finish entering or selecting your ASINs, click on the Done Adding Products button. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the products you've chosen for this bundle. You'll be prompted to submit images starting with your main bundle image. You can add up to 8 images. Next, you'll be prompted to create the content buyers use to make purchasing decisions. Add your bundle title, set your bundle price, write a description of your unique bundle, add bullet points up to 5, and the SKU if applicable. Offering discounts on bundles can help increase bundle sales. When you have entered all the right information for your virtual bundle, simply click Save and Publish. Set up your first virtual bundle today. Customers will love seeing more of what your brand has to offer. Amazon invites you to use the tools available to help improve your brand performance, drive sales, and grow your business. Check out all of them on your Seller Central homepage under Advertising, Stores, Reports, Performance, and Brands tabs. Thank you, and happy selling!